What's up everybody, it's Matt True from Upright Health, and I just spent the last 6 hours working at the computer, working on different things, and normally in the past that would have been a real problem for my wrist. So my wrist and my forearms tended to be a real issue for me. My hands would really bug me, mostly on the left hand side. This area basically just atrophy, it would just die. Doing the keyboard, like there's a keyboard shortcut I always use on my computer, so I'm basically always going like this or like this, and that tends to stretch out this side. It tends to get this part of my forearm to constantly go into a lengthened position, and then these muscles are unhappy. Also, what I'll notice is this area, these veins will basically start to disappear after I've been using the computer for way too long and not doing things that I know I need to do to make that better. You may have noticed over the years that I filmed videos about hand and wrist stuff, and that's because I personally had problems with my hands and wrists. I will link to a couple of those videos in the description box as well, so you can watch videos on how to create wrist exercising devices. And I'm going to show you how to use the hand grenade that I showed last year to help build up some of the forearm musculature here, which has always been an issue for me. And now that I'm actually doing this exercise regularly, it's really helping me use the computer very comfortably for long periods of time and still be able to just jump into doing handstand training and stuff that my friends and coworkers keep peer pressuring me into doing, inspiring me honestly to do. The exercise is actually really easy to do. You just need something similar to this grenade wrist training device that I explained how to make in another video that will be in the description box. If you don't have something like this, that's okay. You can just use like a heavy stick. You could use a broomstick. You could use adjustable dumbbells. If you can take one side off and you have like a narrow thing that you can grip, then that will work too. If you have something that's just heavier on one end, whatever you got, just use that. Basically, what you're gonna do is hold it here so that the heavier end is over that way and the lighter end is pointing forward where your thumb is, right? And then you're just going to do this. You're going to be practicing getting that motion with your wrists. So you're bringing the pinky side closer to the forearm. Now, you'll notice that clinking noise is this little extra weight, little 2.5 pound weight I put on the end of this. If you have the hand grenade wrist device, then you can use weights in the same way to help you build up more strength here along the forearm. So as I do that, what I'm feeling is this area, these forearm muscles firing as they're helping pull the pinky side in towards the elbow. I tend to do this exercise mostly on my left side. I do it a little bit on my right, usually like 1 or 2 sets, but if I do 1 set on my right side, I'm doing 2 sets on the left. If I'm doing 2 sets on the right side, then I'm doing 3 or maybe 4 on the left. The reason I do this so much more on the left side is, as I mentioned before, when I use the keyboard, I'm doing this so often that it's stretching out the muscles here in my forearm, and then I start to develop a weird like clicking loose sensation in the wrist right here, and then it feels like really uncomfortable all the time, and it doesn't feel stable for when I need to like do push-ups or I want to try to do a handstand or a cartwheel or something. This just becomes super problematic. You're just going to lift the palms off the floor by pressing your fingers. I have found that doing some of the wrist rolling exercises that I've shown in previous videos that'll be linked down below, and also adding this in to really focus on bringing the wrist into that motion has really helped stabilize my wrist and make everything feel good. So hopefully you find that helpful. In terms of programming, I usually do this exercise whenever I feel like I need to. And this is sort of a philosophical thing. If your body is hurting and complaining, that means you need to do something. That's how I have learned that I need to understand and relate to my body. So when this feels loose, it feels unstable, or my hands and wrists feel cold, I'll go and do something like this to build it up. The more I do this regularly and preventively, the better I feel. If I do these once in the morning and again once at night, it usually feels pretty good. 1 to 3 sets is usually what I'll do. And then you can also practice doing this slowly. So you could just hold the position and then slowly come down, or you can do this as an isometric where you're just holding on to it for like a minute. Basically, you want to be doing this exercise as many times as it takes to feel like those muscles are working. If it's 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, I don't really count. I just keep going until the muscles are talking to me. Also, another thing you can play with is the arm position and hand positions. I showed it to you just kind of like this at my side, but I also will play around with the angle. So maybe I want to do it out this way with the palm facing forward, or this way with the palm facing back. These are all angles that may be useful. Maybe you need to build some wrist strength for your deadlifts. Maybe you do some deadlift training behind your back. I don't know. I don't know how you spend your free time. So you do what works for you. Play around with angles that may be helpful for you. Play around with which side. If there's a weaker side, definitely pay more attention to that side. And then just experiment, but listen to your body and see how it responds to what you do. I guarantee you start to feel this whole area start to work and work and work. And you can see like the veins now start pumping back up. Blood is being forced through those muscles. Those muscles are working and begging for more blood and circulation. And as that comes back up, the forearm starts to feel better, wrist starts to feel better, and I'm super duper happy because of it. So guys, simple trick to help you build up your forearms, help you if your wrists keep hurting like mine used to do all the dang time. If you found this helpful, click the like button once. If you found this distasteful and you don't like the video, click the like button twice. And if you really love this video, click the like button 3 times and then share it with somebody you know who could benefit from this simple exercise. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos. And as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.